Good morning, students. Welcome to my physical education class. Today we will start chapter number 4, Physical Education and Sports for Divyang. What is the meaning of Divyang? See the picture, students. A man sitting in a wheelchair. That means the word Divyang is used for the person with disability. Earlier the word Biklang was used to denote the same person. But this word, if we use, looks like we are using slang, and sometimes it discourages those people. So the word Biklang was replaced by the word Divyang, which means that you are born to do something great for your country, and it also encourages those people to do any work they want and help them in forgetting that they are different from normal people. Okay. Next, introduction. Children with special needs CWSN are defined as children who have a disability or a combination of disabilities that makes learning or other activities difficult. Special needs children include those who have mental retardation, which causes them to develop more slowly than other children. Next is speech and language impairment, such as a problem expressing themselves or understanding others. Physical disability, such as vision problem, cerebral palsy or other conditions. Next, learning disabilities, which distort messages from their senses. Emotional disability, such as antisocial attitude or other behavioral problems. Next, concept of disability and disorder. What is disability? A disability is any continuing condition that restricts one from performing everyday activities. World Health Organization defines as disability is thus not just a health problem. It is a complex phenomenon reflecting the interaction between features of a person's body and features of the society in which he or she lives. Oxford English Dictionary defines disability as a physical or mental conditions that limits a person's movements, senses or activities. Cambridge Dictionary defines disability as an illness, injury or a condition that makes it difficult for someone to do the things that other people do. We know that most disabilities are not curable and tend to be permanent. But we have had great intellectuals with severe disabilities such as Stephen Hawking, John Nash and Helen Keller, etc. Next is disorder. Collins Dictionary defines disorder is a problem or illness which affects someone's mind or body. Okay. Oxford English Dictionary defines it as an illness that disrupts normal physical or mental functions. Merriam-Webster dictionary defines disorder as an abnormal physical or mental conditions. Next, types of disability. Disabilities are of differing severity and types. Some are born with a disability, while some become disabled during their lives. Three main types of disabilities are: first is cognitive disability. Cognitive disability, earlier called mental retardation and now known as general learning disability, is a term used when a person has certain limitations in mental functioning and in skills such as communication, taking care of themselves, and social skills. Common causes of cognitive disorder include substance abuse and physical injury. Cognitive disabilities include autism, Down syndrome, traumatic brain injury, TBT, dyslexia, which means difficulty in reading, and dyscalculia, that means difficulty with maths. Some of the main categories of function cognitive disabilities include defeats of difficulties with memory, problem solving, attention, reading, linguistic and verbal comprehension, math comprehension, visual comprehension. Next, intellectual disability. Intellectual disability results in below average intelligence quotient IQ and mental ability and lack of skills necessary for learning, problem solving, judgment, communication, and independent living. This disability becomes apparent before 18 years of age. Intellectual disabilities lead to slowing down of learning skill. The primary manifestation of intellectual disability are slow acquisition of new knowledge and skills, immature behavior, limited self-care skills. People with severe intellectual disability are likely to require lifelong support. Early signs include delay, sit-up, crawling or walking, late talking, trouble remembering, difficulty with social rules, trouble thinking logically. Next is physical disability. This is a limitation on the person's ability to perform physical functions such as walking, running, or functional dexterity and stamina. Disorder such as breathing disorder, sleeping disorder, epilepsy, or visual impairment also get classified as physical disabilities. Physical disabilities are further subdivided into motor disability or movement related disability and sensory or feeling related disability. Physical disability can be musculoskeletal or neuromuscular type. First, we will discuss musculoskeletal disability. It occurs when the person has a problem in bones or muscles. This can occur in the following cases: deformity in any body part, genetic bone diseases such as osteogenesis imperfecta. This is a disorder where growing bones become weak and cause postural deformities. Muscle diseases like musculodystrophy that causes the muscle to gradually become weak. Next is neuromuscular disability. This is the result of an illness or a disorder of the nervous system which result in muscle disorder. Example include cerebral palsy, generally caused at the time of birth. This affect movements of various body parts. Poliomyelitis. Now eradicated in India, polio used to lead to weakness or paralysis of lower limbs, causing walking problems and limping, etc. Stroke. When blood supply to the central nervous system, especially the brain, is blocked, it leads to physical as well as sensory disability. Okay. Next is head injury. Injuries to head, mostly by accident, lead a person to become disabled as they may face difficulty in motor or sensory functions. Spinal cord injury, that's caused mostly because of trauma. These injuries lead to paralysis from which a person may or may not recover. Spinal bodies, it is a birth defect in the spine. Lower limbs are weak or even paralyzed. Loss of control over urination and passing stool is common. Okay students, that's all for today. Thank you.